Hey guys, my name is Trey. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be focusing on the island of Kauai. Let's get into it. If some of you guys don't know, Kauai is a spectacular and breathtaking island located here in the Hawaiian Islands. It is the furthest west island in the Hawaiian island chain, and so you get all different types of climate, all different types of scenery. It's home to the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, known as Waimea Canyon. It's just an all-around stunning and beautiful place to be. With that being said, nothing on the island of Kauai can top exploring the world-famous Na Pali coast. The 17-mile stretch of rocky and jagged coastline provides some of the greatest views not only in the Hawaiian Islands, but on the planet. It is truly a one-of-a-kind experience, and it can only be had here in the Hawaiian Islands. There are 3 ways to explore the Na Pali coast: by helicopter, by hiking, or by the old-fashioned boat tours. The boat tours are going to give you the most immersive experience in our opinion, and we decided to go with a company by the name of Pali Odyssey. Aaron is such an amazing boat captain. We heard so many great things about this guy that we just could not pass up this opportunity to go on his tour, and he did not let us down. We had such a great time. And if for some reason you guys don't believe me or you think I'm just making this up, all you have to do is visit Google reviews, Google Na Pali Odyssey, and you will see that Aaron has never received below a 5-star rating. It's such a world-class tour. It's worth the money. It's worth the time. When you come to Kauai, please book with Na Pali Odyssey. Tell them Trey sent you. You guys will have a great time. Just a couple of quick disclaimers for anybody that's looking to take a Na Pali coast tour. Just be aware that if you are prone to motion sickness, this is a really choppy boating experience. Probably the choppiest you'll ever have in your life. But once you can overcome that, you're going to see some breathtaking views. The dolphins, the turtles, you're going to see some sharks, you're going to see some whales, you're going to see some eels. You're going to see everything out there. But hands down, our favorite experience was being up close and personal with the dolphins. And it's so crazy. It's like Aaron has such a great relationship with these dolphins that when they see and hear the boat coming, they automatically know that it's Aaron. And it's so strange at first, but you realize that this guy is so genuine that even the dolphins love this guy. It's such an amazing experience. Now, unlike many of the other boat tours here on the Na Pali coast, Na Pali Odyssey and Aaron's boat is able to get in and out of those smaller crevices and caves, and it just really makes the experience so much more worthwhile. You know, there's something about his boat that is so intimate and so cool. It's fast, so it gets you out to the coast very quickly. But as I mentioned earlier, it's small enough to be able to get you into these environments such as this one that you're seeing right now. You know, it almost seemed like we were on the set of Pirates of the Caribbean. This is honestly like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and Aaron is giving you guys the opportunity to see some sights that you really might not be able to see anywhere else on the planet. You know, I remember this one cave specifically because I know it looks very large here in this video, but it's actually kind of on the smaller side, but it has this really cool rock formation in the middle, and we've actually Googled wedding pictures, and some people actually get married right here on this rock. It's a really, really cool place, and depending on how choppy the water is or is not, you can actually jump off of the boat. Aaron stops and drops anchor and allows you to swim in the water. It's a really, really cool experience. For those of you that are wondering or, you know, have a schedule to stick to, this tour does take up a large portion of your day. You know, you're going to get out there at about 7 o'clock in the morning, and you're going to be out there till about 2-3 o'clock, sometimes even 4, depending on how many dolphins are out there, how choppy it is out there. And also, if you want to spend a little bit more time on like a secluded beach, or want to see one of the places where they filmed Pirates of the Caribbean, or one of the numerous Hollywood blockbusters here in Hawaii, you can spend a lot of time out there. So make sure you have your medication if you do get seasick. I know Justine and I, like, we don't usually get seasick, but we found ourselves getting seasick occasionally throughout this tour, but it was still worth it. We wouldn't change a thing about this experience. Just some of these views, I can't describe it. Like, I can't explain it. Cameras do tend to make things look better, but I promise you, once you actually get out here and see how beautiful this terrain and scenery is, you will realize that nothing really in the Pacific, or really on the planet, could top a Nepali coast tour. It's truly a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah.
That's gonna do it for our tour of the Nepali coast here on the island of Kauai. We love the state of Hawaii so much. There's so much to see and do here. If you were to live here in Hawaii for your entire life, you wouldn't be able to do everything. That just goes to show you how much there truly is to do here. The Nepali coast just embodies the beauty that is the state of Hawaii. There's so much mystique and so much beauty that this place offers. You'll never find another place like the Nepali coast on the planet, I can assure you. There is so much to see and do here in Hawaii, but when you come to the island of Kauai, please make sure that you guys have the Nepali coast as one of the top adventures on your list, because it's one of a kind. It's a once in a lifetime experience, and I know you guys will enjoy it just as much as we did. So thank you guys so much for watching, and mahalo.